tonight. We're raising money for an organization, Liberty Crew, that is an outstanding organization, and their goal is to help parents and kids avoid even getting to the point where they do that. Now tonight in particular is a dedication to Alex Ziegler, who at the age of 18 years old was booking bands all over the city, clubs that he wasn't even allowed to be in, and he was booking bands. And the folks that started Liberty Crew, their son Joshua Isaac. So let's give a hand to the Liberty Crew. Go out and get to the table on the right-hand side. Now, I neglected to say earlier this evening, this guitar that's being raffled off has been autographed by every member of the Dirty Knobs. That's Mike Campbell, Jason Sinead, Lance Morrison, and Matt Logg. So go over to the table, and who? Matty Logg. Raffle tickets are $30, two for $50. Go to the table on the right-hand side of the stage. It's going to be a beautiful evening. The Dirty Knobs are up next. If you haven't seen them, you're in for a treat, folks. I don't know what you people at the tables are going to be doing later on, but I think you're in for trouble.
Get on up.
Thank you, folks. Have a great evening.
With that great band, it was incredible. B-52s are here once, and they fucking danced their rocks off. The Zombies I saw here, they were great.
Cheap Trick!
And who?
Cheap Trick!
Yeah. I didn't see them.
They were good here, man.
But I bet they were fucking great. But you know who I did see that maybe was better than everybody else, which might surprise you? Don Rickles was here. Yeah, my wife and I came. Yeah. So Don Rickles. Check. All right. Okay. This show, like our last one, is also dedicated to the Veggie League. I don't know if he left it. Is Mike Bly still here? I don't know if he's still here. Anyway. Then fuck it, we won't do that song. If you are here, you're just shy, this is for you. Rick, I'll dedicate this to you because you're still here. experience. We don't promote ourselves, we don't put out recordings at the moment, but we usually play like places with 100 people. Is my ear not on? I think I lost my ear. Is it plugged in? I sound far away. Anyway, we normally play like places with 100 people. And they told me we were coming in here, you know, like places where I've seen like some of the biggest artists ever. I'm like, don't put us in there. Nobody will come. You know? So I figured, okay, well, we're committed, we're gonna do it. We'll have like maybe just the tables with our friends. And you know, yeah, people show up. Thank you very much.
Yeah.